Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June the 1st, 2018, and I'm here with some of my cucumber seedlings. And I was a little displeased when I came out today and found this, and found my stems looking like this. Some of my plants wilting and actually dying. This is actually dampening off disease. It had to have been in the soil. I didn't treat the soil when I transplanted these out with neem oil. Kind of crossed my mind, but I didn't, and this was the results. So the dampening off caused stem rot, and it took 5 of my plants out. So this is something I can't let go. I'm really happy that I did catch it when I did, because it could have wiped all of them out. I'm going to be using neem oil on the rest of these as a soil drench to try and help kill that dampening off, so this doesn't happen. These were my early burpless cucumbers. I'm hoping that I can catch these two in time, that nothing happens to them. And it took one of my tender green burpless cucumbers out too. And that could have been completely disastrous, because this whole thing here is all cucumbers. And being that, the weeds were growing just fine here, so I'm going to show you here how I treat the soil. I'm using 2 teaspoons of neem oil to 2 liters of water. I'll have down below how I mix it up. You want to make sure your water is nice and warm when you mix it, so that the neem oil mixes well. I have it here, and I'm just going to be applying it to the soil here. This is not what I wanted to do at all, but it's either try and stop it now or possibly lose everything. So I don't want to do that. And I also have my neem oil spray, and I'm going to be spraying the stems to kill anything that would be on them. You want to make sure that you shake this stuff up really good. I do wear gloves when I treat these with any type of spray or anything like that, fungicide. And I'm going to be doing this with all of these. Today was supposed to be their feeding day of Sea Magic, but when I seen this, it's going to get delayed, because we need to do everything we can to try and stop this. So I have a link down below for the type of neem oil that I use. You can go check that out. And I wish I would have treated them sooner when I first planted them. So dampening off is a disease that can live in the soil, and it can be in the soil, and it just attacks your plant stems. It attacks the root systems. So hopefully this neem oil will be enough to stop this before it wipes everything out. So everything along this fence here is going to be getting treated. This is the other one that I lost. And yeah, the weeds are growing fine. So I'll keep you updated on how these are doing, and if this stops it or not. Now, these plants here, the ones that died from the stem rot, they will need to be taken out, and they will need to be destroyed. And whatever tools I use to take them out with will need to be sterilized so that I don't transfer the dampening off and the stem rot. Normally this happens from poorly drained soil, and it also happens from cool weather. Now, when I planted these, it was in the 80s out. It didn't cool down below the 60. So, and it really didn't rain that much. It rained just a little bit, but I don't fully understand what happened. It had to have been in the soil and it just attacked the plants. So these will definitely need to be removed. I probably will not be planting back in this spot where I take these out at this year. And I might start some more cucumber seeds. I'm not sure. I'll have to decide. I'll have to look on the pack, and I'll have to see how long it takes them to mature, and go from there. So something else you could try would be cinnamon. You could sprinkle some cinnamon around, try and work it into the soil. Fungus hates cinnamon, so that could help to try and keep it away. I can't use cinnamon on edible vegetables, so that's not an option for me. I used it like for my ornamental stuff, because you've seen it in the videos where I've used it for that. But on edible things, that's not an option that I have to be able to use that for. So I just wanted to throw that in there for you, if you didn't want to use the neem oil. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.